how to fix your iPhone lag right now with iOS 26. So if you want to fix your iPhone lag with iOS 26, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So if you're facing this issue, first what you need to do is restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of problems or minor glitches in your iPhone. Next, you need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen and go ahead and remove all the apps running in the background as well. This will help your iPhone take a restart. Next, you need to launch your settings application on your device. After that, if you scroll down, you'll find General. You need to tap on General, and then you need to go with Background App Refresh. Once you find it, tap on Background App Refresh, and then select the Off option you see there. In my case, it's already turned off, so you just need to simply go and turn it off. This will instantly reduce the lag. Next, in Settings, again, tap on the Battery option, which is right here, and you will see the option of Low Power Mode. Make sure the Low Power Mode toggle button is toggled off. Also, tap on Battery Health and Charging, and if your battery health is under 80%, then your iPhone may lag due to throttling. See if your issue is fixed yet or not. And if it does not fix, then go back to your settings and tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Here you can go ahead and delete the app that you don't use, as you have to make sure that your storage is not full and has minimum of 5 to 10 GB free. See if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then go to your settings, and then scroll down, and on the bottom you will find apps. You need to tap on apps, scroll down again, and then tap on the Safari option. Once you find Safari, tap on it. Then further scroll down and then tap on Clear History and Website Data, which is right here. And then go with Clear History, which is on the bottom. And this might fix your problem. If not, then you can try to force restart your iPhone, as forced restarting your iPhone clears deep system lag. If forced restarting your iPhone does not help in fixing your issue, then you can open up your settings again and then tap on the Privacy and Security section, and then tap on Location Services. Here, you need to make sure that the location services is disabled for unused app, or you can completely disable location services too. Now you can go back and then open up your iPhone storage, which will be under your General, and then go with iPhone storage. Then go ahead and select the app that you are facing issue with. And further, you need to offload the app. Like for example, if I'm facing a problem with YouTube, I'll just simply tap on YouTube and then go and offload the application. Now go back to the General, and then you can go and reset. So under General, here on the bottom, you will have Transfer or Reset iPhone. You need to go with Reset and then reset all settings. Once you reset your settings, or once you reset your network settings, this will fix lags caused by network bugs. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.